Hello everyone, welcome back on new lecture. And in this lecture, we are going to finally install our WebXR Depanther plugin. And here you can see we are using 6.2 and make sure that you have installed your WebGL 2. So if you have not installed, so just I'm telling you, it should be look like this web. And if it is not installed, so where you have to go, add module. And here we have to select, make sure that it is selected. You can see there are so many things we have already selected, and here WebGL build support, so you have to just install if you have not selected it. Okay, so hopefully you have done this. If you have not, so please do, and then back on your project. So here we are on the project. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to just install. So for the installing, what we have to do, we have to go here. We have already opened it, and here we have to install with the git. So make sure you have installed the git, and it is a much more simpler way. So just open this as well as just open this one. So basically one is WebXR exporter, which help us to render, and this one is a WebXR interaction. So you know very well in the VR there are so many interaction. So this stuff really help us to interact with the object. So first of all, let's go here, and we have to just copy this link and back on our project, go in the package management, and in 6.2 basically you will get many option here. Earlier it was directly here, so just click on the package manager and git URL, click here and then install it. Okay, so it will take some time, so just give a few seconds, and until the time we have to just copy another, that is the interaction. So again we have to come and copy paste, and every step you have to follow, otherwise something is missing, so you might face some problem. So I have just copied that thing, and here you can see web export have been installed. So let it compiled. Now we have this one, and let's go again on the plus icon, git from URL and plus install this one. Okay, so finally it have been also installed. So first of all, we have to go on the samples, and let's get what we really need. So it really up to you, like for which platform you are targeting. So most of time people target for the mobile or their window, so that not really create problem. But if you are going to target on the VR, so at that time you should go with the XR interaction toolkit. I already explained about the Unity pipelines, so make sure that this project you have created on the URP. Okay, if there will be some issue, so we will see, but for now we are going to with the URP, and XR interaction play a very important role, so we are just going to use this one. And here you can see built-in render pipeline, so we have also this stuff, and same with the XR interaction toolkit. So in the XR interaction toolkit you will get the URP, basically nothing is mentioned here, and here is XR interaction toolkit, same, but it will be with the built-in render pipeline. Okay, so let's go with this one. In case anyone want, so they can also do the thing. And here you can see in my previous courses you have follow, so basically we install this stuff also, but currently we are not installing, so we just install that thing. In Unity there is a project validation, so what it will do for us, it will install related stuff here. Okay, so you know very well WebXR just only come with the exporter or interaction, just we will need also XR interaction toolkit, which is from the Unity. So just do the fix all. So it will take few seconds and it will install related or required plugins here. So do again. So now everything is looking green. So all is okay. And you can try one more times if something will be missing. So it will install. So you can see it is installing the stuff. Okay, so all is okay. Everything is red. Great. Everything is green. And now what we have to do, so make sure that you are on the this page, and whenever you are on the Unity previous version, so you will not see the app, it will see the world, that is the web. So make sure that you have entered WebXR export, and now it is looking okay. Okay, on WebXR, just we are not going to play around this stuff. So for now all is looking okay. So just close this window. Now we can close this one too. Okay, and nothing here we are able to see. So just go on the window, and here you will see the WebXR. So what we have to do, we have to do copy WebGL template. So just do the copy and continue. Okay, after this what we have to do, we have to go build profiles and make sure that you are on the web. Currently I am on the window, so just you have to switch here. So it will also take minutes to convert. Currently we were on the window. Okay, so in a very short time we are on the web, and that is looking active. For the scene you have to always go here. From the Unity 6 we are getting this thing, and here what we have to do, we have to go on the player setting, and you will see this stuff. Sometimes you are not able to see, so at that time you have to just close your Unity, or might be you have to close your uh, system, and then you have to restart. Okay, so this is the default where you will not see the WebXR stuff. It will be just WebGL thing. And whenever you are going to use the WebXR, so it is 2020. So here we have the 2022. So here we have to use this one. Okay, so make sure that you have selected, and now we have to see that everything is working or not. So for this we have to like we have just imported the samples. So here you will see the samples. So just go here and click here. So now you will see this thing which is already set up for the your WebXR. So it is already set up. So in quick way, we don't want to waste lots of time. We want to check that everything is working fine. So what we have to do, we have to make sure that you are in this, and this scene we have to add in the scene list to check that everything is working fine. So just add this one and delete this one. Okay, and now to go on the web and do the build and run. So let's do it, and if all will be okay, so it is going to just work in your browser. So do the build, select folder, and if you are creating the first time, so it will take some time. And currently we are going to test locally, and this link if you are going to share with anyone, so it will not going to work. So it will work only on local device. Okay, and here you can see, you are able to see the play. I already cover in the previous build where you can deploy your WebGL stuff on the play. It is Unity platform, but WebXR thing does not work on the play. So just wait and until it just deploy on your any Chrome or any browser you have installed. So let's wait for a few seconds. So now you can see it have been opened in my browser and we are able to see AR/VR. So that is the signal that everything is working fine. And you can also see few stuff like whenever I am going to allow, so my camera will be able to. So basically it also work on the mixed reality. You can see these are the things we are able to see. And if you are going to manage much more proper way, so you can see in the mixed reality it is also going to work, okay, for the desktop. So it is really great thing, like you can use for anything. And you can see this stuff is also working. So currently there is AR/VR looking, so it is okay. And it does not mean that you are going to share this link to your friend and it will start working. It is not going to happen. So it is currently locally. And for the sharing with the friend, what we have to do, we are just already I have shared, but I will share with you that how I will deploy on the server where I can share the link. So we will learn that thing. And in next part, what I am going to share with you, in case a developer does not have, a developer don't have any VR device. So in that case, what we are going to do, we will see the emulator, web emulator, which will help us to just test this thing. And web emulator is from the Meta. So it is really great that Meta is also supporting the WebXR in a very large scale. So that's thing. And hopefully you learn and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you next video. Bye bye. Take care. And don't forget to check out us on our social media, as well as if you want to learn us from the live classes, you can also DM me on my Discord channel. And hopefully you are having fun. And please rate this course if you are learning something new. So bye bye. Take care. See you in next video.